Tem um aqui no meu povo, tem dois. Boa. Tá salvando aqui, Raí. Clicou já. Clicou. Salvo.
I wanna tell my little brother to keep it on them. They be watching, I know what they plotting. Remember we looking for money and took what we got. Had me stuffing dollars in my pocket. I looked in the eyes of a killer. I knew he was hurting them demons, wouldn't let him stop. Just speaking my life when I talk to the mic. I've been walking through hell, but look what I accomplished. I still pray to God, even though that I'm sinning. This makes you start when you feel like you finished. Deep in my thoughts, I'm constantly in it. Look where I'm at, and it's since the beginning. So many losses, I wanted to stop. My mama proud because I'm finally winning. Let her in jail, what you get from the block. Had to leave it behind just to better my image. I know they be hating, I don't let it bother me. Giving on mine cause I'm grinding for sure. Like he was locked in the cell, can't believe that he out turning up cause he finally home. Could I lie like I ain't call for help, ain't nobody was there, so I work on my own. Got E3 with me, you know that's my brother, and I'll keep it solid till one day I'm gone. Mama stay strong for me, I know I'ma make it, just waiting for the day it happen. Like please stay strong for me, they thought I was playing, no I don't see nobody laughing. My brothers do wrong for me, don't play with our money, this ain't no game but we get active. Ain't doing this song for me, I do it for Brody, I know that he in heaven clapping. They keep on saying they with me, I know they ain't with me, while all these people keep on capping. I know a few niggas who could make it out, but they stuck in the streets, ain't no way that they lasting.